Fortunately, my wife did not have to fire this weapon at her would-be attacker. But if she had, he would have been for a nasty surprise, as this is the ammunition that her gun is loaded with. Gold dot, personal protection, 9mm, plus P 124 grain hollow point. Definitely would have torn him up inside pretty good. This is a pretty nasty customer to go against, and I don't know many people that would want to be shot by this round. Differences in the Gen 4 include larger magazine release button, different grip pattern, a more aggressive grip pattern, and of course it says Gen 4 right there, and back straps. Internally, differences are most notably the dual recoil spring, although the subcompact Glocks always had this feature, but now this feature has migrated to the larger Glocks, such as the 21, the 19, 17, the 22, and the 23, just to name a few. So even though this has always been this way, this feature is also in all the large Generation 4 pistols that used to just have a single recoil guide spring. Large and medium, and with no back strap at all, it is smaller than previous generations of Glock. Here we see a Glock 19 for comparison of the standard back strap of the past generations as compared to the Generation 4. Small backstrap, medium backstrap, and large. One area of controversy that people have always talked about is the grip length of this gun. It's very short, and your pinky finger, it has nowhere to go. It just dangles down, and you can only get 2 fingers on the grip. People tuck their finger underneath. And a lot of people dislike this, to the point of actually not buying this gun because of it. But of course there is a simple remedy, which most of you know, and that is the grip extension. A lot of people put these on the guns to make them more comfortable, and indeed I believe it does make the gun more comfortable. However, does it make it more controllable? I would have to say that it doesn't. I can shoot it just as well either way, with or without. Here's the Glock 26 with the extension. Now you have a place to put that pinky finger. And I have to agree, it does make the gun a lot more comfortable. Here's the standard magazine right here. I keep one of them this way and the other one like this.